Hi everyone, this is Future Katie. This is a couple days after I actually filmed this vlog, but I just wanted to pop into the beginning to show you guys something. So I just got the cutest package in the mail from Jewelry by Ocean. The girl who owns the shop has seriously the cutest bracelets. I mean, I'm literally obsessed. I'll put all her links in the description, but seriously, I'm so excited to wear these. The bracelets came in the cutest packaging. She sent some candy and this note to go with it. Look at how cute these are. You guys all need to go get one. Again, all her links will be down in the description box, and thank you so much for sending me this. I'm so excited to wear these cute bracelets. Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, and I think this is like my third Sunday vlog in a row. So I'm sorry if you're sick of seeing Sunday vlogs, but Sunday is just the day it's easiest to vlog for me. So it is currently 1:08 p.m. and I'm definitely starting this vlog off later in the day because this morning I filmed a get ready with me / life update video. So that's what I was doing this morning because I woke up at like 11. Also, I didn't go to church today. I feel like I'm just floating you with so much information right now. I didn't go to church today because I just woke up really tired and I would have had to rush and I'd be late to church. So I just didn't go this morning and I did a devotional instead. Anyway, I have a lot to do today. I have a whole to-do list. I have to fold this huge pile of laundry right here. I want to take an Instagram photo for something, do some homework, make my lunch for tomorrow since I'm trying to be better about like prepping my lunch that I have for school the night before. And then I also want to declutter my closet because I have been wanting to declutter it for what feels like forever now. I have so much unneeded stuff in there that I could give to people in need. That's what I'm going to try and tackle today, all those things. But first I need to go eat lunch and I'm going to charge my camera battery since I just filmed my get ready with me on this camera, so my battery's flashing. So I'm gonna charge that really quick. I'll show you guys my lunch and I'll get onto the vlog. This was like the most abrupt, quick intro I've ever done for a vlog. So I'm sorry if it was really like blah, but welcome to my day. You guys, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna make a travel diary of it or a vlog, so don't worry, you guys will be able to be a part of everything. But my parents just booked the craziest, most amazing summer vacation. We're going out of the country to somewhere super tropical. Technically it's multiple places if you think about it, but if anybody can guess where it is or like what we're doing, let me know down below. I'll give away like a $20 Starbucks gift card to anyone who guesses it right what we're doing or where we're going. So guess down below in the comment section. Anyway, I'm so excited. I just really wanted to tell you guys. I just finished making myself lunch. I made some noodles for myself, so I'll show you guys. You scared me so badly. Can you explain what you're doing today?
I don't look good.
You look beautiful.
Today I'm doing a school project.
She's gone above and beyond, you guys. So this is a school project on like a book that they read as a class. So they read this novel as a class and they have to do like an ending project in her English class. So explain what you're doing.
I'm baking a cake and decorating it like of the book.
Yeah, it's amazing. She has like fondant. She's doing it all. It's a vanilla cake, right?
I'm baking. You should show. Are you vlogging today?
Yeah.
Oh, you should show the cake at the end of the day.
Okay, I'll show you guys the cake at the end of the day, but for now I'm gonna show you guys what.
Wait, can you take this downstairs, please?
Throw it.
No.
Just put it in my hand. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
No.
Drop it. Yes, you have to drop it. Have faith in me. Here are my noodles. All right, we're eating some of the cake they cut off the top to make it flat. Audrey's going to the final floor. March Madness is happening over there. Okay, I've been procrastinating, but it's time. It needs to happen. I need to start cleaning. So I'm gonna start off by folding all of this laundry. I'll do a time lapse right now. Okay, I just put in a load of laundry in the washer. It has like, whoops, there we go. It has like 50 minutes left. And this is the progress I've made so far on my room. I have my clothes for the week right here. All this stuff that's gonna go in there in my closet. I changed the sheets on my bed and now I'm going to start cleaning out my closet. I think I'm just gonna take everything out. It's probably gonna be the easiest way to do it, but I'm gonna have so much stuff, you guys, to clean up. It's gonna be crazy. Look at all of this, you guys. This is all down in the bottom of my closet. Excuse me, what the heck? Oh my gosh, okay. I'm getting so overwhelmed. Look at this. I'm starting to have regrets. Should I have done this? I don't know. Because honestly, in 2 weeks, it's just gonna go back to what it was before. So, kind of having regrets, but I can't really turn back now. I mean, I can, but I'm not going to, because like I've already dove in too deep. Okay, my camera was just charging for like the past 20 minutes while I worked on this side, but you guys, I have made so much progress on this side. Seriously, I went through this whole thing, which is like my books, and this is all organized. This whole thing I organized. This especially is like the biggest thing because there was so much clutter on here. I haven't decided yet if I want to organize these drawers because I just have a lot of stuff in here that I really should probably go through if I'm going to make a bag of donations for other things. I just have a lot of stuff in here that's all clothing. And then I have my 2 suitcases over here. These 2 Poshmark things that I have listed. These are my American Girl dolls. I'm really sorry if you're creeped out by dolls, but I just keep those because they're a big childhood memento for me. These up here are all my sheets, this lap desk, and then some Christmas decorations up here. Halloween costumes, I made those all for my DIY Halloween costumes video. And then in here I have this trophy. I might have explained it in my last vlog. If I didn't, it was from a swim season because I used to do competitive swimming. And I won most dedicated swimmer of the season or something, and there's supposed to be a mini replica of this trophy, and they accidentally ordered a huge one, so I have the huge replica. So yeah, I think this half of the closet is pretty much complete aside from these drawers right here, and now I get to tackle all this beauty right here. I'm gonna try and go through everything and then put items in this bag that I'm gonna get rid of, and then items that I'm gonna donate I'll put in a different pile. Okay, you guys, I think I'm all done, finally. I made a lot of progress since I last vlogged, but this is the big bag of stuff I have to donate. I'm just gonna leave it here for now, and then I'll probably drive it or make an appointment for Salvation Army to come pick it up from my house. Not sure yet. I'm gonna give you guys the tour of this side of my closet. I kind of already did this side. I did not organize these drawers, but I did go through them and just pull out the things that I don't really wear or haven't worn in a really long time. This side is all done. I have all of my shirts, sweatshirts, and hoodies over here, as well as like my jackets and things. And then up here, I have all of these bags. I keep a lot of the bags I get after I go shopping for clothes in case I want to use them for hauls. And then I have this beach bag. Since it's spring and summer and I've been going to the beach a lot more recently, I just made this bag where I have sunscreen and snacks in there, so if I'm ever going to the beach I can just grab it, and it has worked really well for me so far. I also have my hats over here. I have this one that says California, vitamin C, and then my Angels hat. So up here I have all my coats and bigger jackets. I have this one, and then all of these over here, and then lastly over here, I have all of my dresses or like nicer cardigans and rompers and things that are longer than normal clothes. That is all the progress I made on my closet. Oh, it's not closed all the way. There we go. I am so happy that's done. I feel like a weight was lifted off my shoulders because I've been wanting to organize that for such a long time now. Also, I changed into this hoodie and these leggings, and yeah, that's pretty much the update. I'm kind of getting hot. I might have to take off this hoodie, but that's what has been going on. I literally spent like 2 hours organizing my closet, but I'm really happy I did it because organizing is like a big de-stressor for me. It is currently 5 p.m. Okay, my mom and Allie are hard at work frosting the cake. Looks so good. Cake update. All right, here's the finished product of Allie's cake. Good job, Allie. Looks so cute. She made the musical note, and then the scorpion, the pearl, and the canoe. Okay, my mother is an angel and made us broccoli pasta and spaghetti for dinner. Yum. Okay, now I'm gonna make my lunch. Allie's right here.
Oh, I have to do that.
With me in the kitchen, and I think I'm just gonna make myself a sandwich. Packing myself some of this white cheddar popcorn. It's my fave. Almonds, raisins, and applesauce. Okay, my lunch is done. I just made myself this turkey sandwich with cheese, and I have a cutie and carrots. I forgot how much easier it was to just do my lunch the night before, because then I can throw it in the fridge and just put it in my lunch in the morning. I really have to do homework, but I really want to bake this cake. Oh, I know what I'll do. I like grab the peanut butter. I'll bake the cake and I'll do my homework while it's in the oven. I'm a genius. Okay, I'm about to start making the cupcakes. I just changed because I wanted to take a photo of me while I'm baking them. I'll insert the photo inspiration right here. That's why my hair's in a ponytail and everything, but I'm gonna start baking the cupcakes. So I'll do a time lapse and then I'll show you guys a little behind the scenes of the photo. I'm planning to take it right here and then I'll just move that stuff out of the way. We'll see. All right, the batter is complete. It was originally vanilla or yellow cake, but I made it chocolate by adding this chocolate pudding, and it literally tastes like it's a chocolate mix. Allie's the best sister ever.
Saying that ever. I look
And
bad.
she's gonna help me
I look really
take
bad right now.
the photo. Okay.
I look bad.
It's okay, here you go. You know what the inspiration is, right?
The like hair whipping thing.
The hair whipping, yep.
Then I can't get all these in.
All right, cupcakes are going in the oven. Okay everyone, it is a lot later now. We frosted and finished the cupcakes. They were actually really good. And I pretty much finished all my homework. I just have a little bit more left to do, but I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow since it's not due till later. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you had an amazing day, and also thank you guys so much for all the love on my morning routine video. I was just looking at that and it already has like almost 1,000 views, so thank you all so much for such nice comments on that video. If you have not seen it already, I'll link it down below. It's like a vlog style school morning routine, and I do it like in real time on a school day, so it was really fun to film that video. Let me know down below if you guys want me to do a night routine version of that, and I definitely will. Thank you all again for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye guys. Mwah.